It's been over like maybe 6 months, but it's been a while since I posted a video. And hopefully we start posting consistently from now on going forward. As you can see, we have a mathematics paper BGCSE on the screen, so let's try it out, and hopefully you have a good one. We're going to be dealing with a paper 2 question paper 2018. If you need the unanswered version, I'll include it on the link below, on the description below, sorry, so that you get to download it and then try it for yourself. So I'm going to be dropping a couple of videos so that just to avoid keeping the videos long, maybe 5 minutes long, so that it works for you also. So let's go ahead. So this is the formulae page, usually for paper 1 and paper 2. I didn't include the cover page at this in this video, but you'll see it on the description. Yeah, so let's try the questions. Very easy questions. The question says a bottle of drink is sold at 4 pula 85 thebe. A refund of 25 thebe is offered for returning the empty bottle. Express the refund for an empty bottle as a percentage of the cost of the bottle of drink. So as you can see, the question just wants you to find a percentage of the refund. They want you to find the refund as a percentage of the cost of the bottle. So it's very easy. You're going to take the refund, which is 25 thebe. That's how you express 25 thebe in pulas. You just divide the 25 thebe here, the 25 by 100, to get this 25 thebe there. It's like 25 cents. And then this is the cost of the bottle, so you just divide the cost of the refund, how much the refund is, with the cost of the bottle, and then just multiply by 100. So in multiplying by 100, you will get this 5.15, and then, as you always know, that you have to express your answers in 3 significant figures. So I might be a little bit rusty, but bear with me. Question B says, a customer buys 24 bottles of drink. How much does the customer pay for the 24 bottles of drink? You've been shopping before, so you know that already, that you multiply the cost by the number. So 24 is the number of bottles they are buying, and then the cost is 4 pula 85. Straightforward. You get your money. Always express your money in 2 decimal places like that. So the answer is 116 point. These are very easy, fairly easy. Let's see the last question. The customer returns 15 bottles of drink. Calculate the refund in pula for returning the empty bottles. So if you are watching this video internationally, the pula is basically our local currency, the Botswana currency. So how much would the customer get in return for returning the bottles? So we just multiply how much they get, which is the refund 25 thebe, multiplied by the number of bottles. So for returning 15 bottles, he would get 3 pula 75 thebe. To avoid making the video too long, let me stop here. If you are going to need part 2, you'll find it after this one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow, subscribe. Sharp.